How to start LLC in 3 easy steps. Starting a business is a tricky, expensive, and time-consuming process. If you're just starting or thinking about starting your own LLC for the first time, you might feel overwhelmed about how much work it will be. I know that's what happens with everyone, and I just want to tell you that there is no need to stress over it. We help entrepreneurs just like you to start their online businesses without dealing with complicated legal forms. We support startups like FBA, e-commerce, consultancy, software, marketing, estate, retail, management, investing, development, and sales. Startups are obviously confusing and frustrating, but you're not alone. We are here to assist. We could handle your paperwork so you could spend your time making more money and just do what you enjoy. So you can be your own boss. And I think this is the best thing ever, right? Ever since, my squad and I have helped 7,236 plus entrepreneurs launch their firms. Our done-for-you service has 3,258 5-star Google reviews from clients who adore our speedy services. If you are facing any issues in this regard, click the link in the description box to book a free call or email us at sam@malayatlaw.com. But before we start, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell for you to watch more of our cool yet informative videos. So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's first discuss what exactly is a limited liability company, LLC. It's a legal entity that keeps your personal assets apart and safe if your company is sued. And hopefully, this probably will not happen. Even though the idea of starting your own business might seem scary, making your own LLC does not need to be challenging or scary. So are you curious about how to start LLC in 3 easy steps? Great. Here are 3 significant things you need to do to establish an LLC. Number 1, choose a state. Number 2, choose a name. Number 3, fill out the forms. Let's go over this in more detail so you are ready to all go. Choose a state. Where to form LLC? First, choose a state for your LLC. Beware hype states. Each state imposes its own LLC laws and requirements, so pick wisely. People often say that Delaware and Nevada are wonderful places to start an LLC. Except you live in Delaware or Nevada, forming an LLC there will raise your fees and paperwork. Terrible, right? So where should you form your LLC? A short answer is, your state is the best option. State LLC rules differ. Before beginning, examine your state's rules, restrictions, and fees. All this information is available at the Secretary of the State's office or online via Google. Make sure the site's URL ends in .gov or the state's acronym. This assures you get the right information about your state's LLC best practices, rules, and restrictions. What is your actual street address? What are your postal deliveries made? Whatever location it is, form your LLC there. Why? But what about forming it somewhere else? You can create an LLC outside your home state. File a foreign LLC. If you select this method, make sure you understand foreign LLC formation. Domestic LLCs are formed in the state of residence. Forming an LLC in a state you don't live in needs a domestic and foreign LLC. I hope now you get it. If you get it, write "I get it" in the comments down below. Suppose you live in Indiana. If you wish to do business in Wisconsin, you should apply for a domestic LLC. After Indiana approves your domestic LLC, you can create a foreign LLC in Wisconsin. So, foreign LLCs have their own perks but are more expensive and need more paperwork. Forming an international LLC implies you have 2 LLCs, domestic and foreign. This doubles the work needed to create a domestic LLC. Haha, such a headache. If you had a foreign LLC, you would need to have 2 LLCs, domestic and foreign state, 2 state fees, 2 annual report fees, and 2 agents, 1 in each state. creating a domestic LLC in your home state is the least expensive option, right? Wait. Are you bored? I thought you were. Let us continue the video. Choose a name. What should your LLC be titled? Exceptional LLC names help clients identify and distinguish you from your competitors. Choosing an LLC name isn't simply about selecting something outstanding. Yes, you want something special that customers will remember, but do it well. Wait, have you selected your LLC name? Put it down in the comment box so that I may cheer you up. Legal name. Your LLC's legal name is its state filed name. Ensure your LLC's name is legal. It must finish with a limited liability company or an approved abbreviation. It can't mention bank, city, or insurance. The legal name can't match an existing LLC. Each state has its own blacklist, so your LLC won't be confused with government entities, organizations, or enterprises. There are state-restricted terms. Bank, insurance, and hospitals are example. You can file to use such terms, but it will cost a fee and delay LLC registration. So not a very good option, right? Is it readily available? Name checks to tell you if the desired company is currently available. State LLC officers can tell if the requested name is available. LegalZoom site also checks LLC name availability. If the name is available, good. File away. If not, start over. If the chosen name is available, you can reserve your LLC name. Several states charge a fee to secure an LLC name temporarily. This step in setting up an LLC may seem tedious, but it's really the quickest. Believe me or not, that's the truth. Now let's move on to number 3. File the paperwork. Of course, paperwork isn't pleasant. It's time-consuming and complicated. But nothing to worry about. We are here to assist. Articles of Organization and LLC Operating Agreement are what you will need to file. Articles of Organization must be filed to form a state-level LLC. Maybe this will take just under an hour. Do for yourself or hire an attorney. Most state secretary of the state websites have fill-in-the-blank forms. Companies that assist create LLCs provide free, user-friendly articles of organization. You can absolutely do it yourself. You would save on legal expenses, but I would highly recommend consulting a lawyer to save your time. Registered agent. Every state registered firm needs a registered agent. A registered agent handles federal and state legal papers and process services. Please be aware of companies looking to offer to be your registered agent. Some fool clients into believing they require an experienced organization and that costs more. So you should be very careful. Filing fees. Confirm state filing fees. Articles of Organization can be submitted with your state Secretary of State or comparable entity. Each state demands different billing fees. FNACI charges $300, whereas most states charge $50. Operating agreement. Okay. State law seldom requires an LLC operating agreement, but it must be established. LLC operating agreements govern ownership and business operation. It lets you organize your business financial and working connections. This applies to single-member and multi-member LLCs. If you're ready to set up your single-member LLC, watch my previous video, 5 single-member LLC mistakes you should avoid after you finish this video. You've finished the 3 main LLC steps. Caduce. What's next? Advertise if needed by state. It's not an essential step, but some states need newspaper notices. It's an LLC formation notification. It must be released multiple times over weeks, and an affidavit of publication must be provided to your LLC registration office. Local newspaper might assist if you're having issues with this. Licenses and permits. Get all licenses and permissions after filing before opening your LLCs. Not every business is the same, so everything you need for your LLC will rely on what it is for. So that brings an end to this video. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. I want you to be successful and I want you to be completely safe. Until next time, peace out.